Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You already have Material app and a scaffold. Now place a row or column where space must be shared. Wrap the child you want to stretch with Expanded immediately. You do this because Expanded tells the Flex parent to allocate remaining free space to that child according to its Flex value. Once wrapped, set Flex to control proportion. For example, Flex 2 gets twice the space of Flex 1. Make sure siblings are normal widgets or other expanded widgets. Once you have Expanded in place, tune layout by nesting it with containers for background, padding, and alignment so visual results match intent. You must understand that Expanded imposes tight constraints. It fills remaining axis space, so give children unconstrained sizes in the cross-axis. If you need fixed height inside a column, wrap the child in sized box. If inside a list view, use shrink wrap or constrain with a container. Make sure to test different Flex values to balance elements. To finish, replace any empty Expanded with spacer when you only need spacing, and confirm alignment via main axis alignment or cross-axis alignment. If you see overflow errors, swap Expanded for flexible or wrap the child in single child scroll view. This lets the child size itself rather than forcing expansion. Make sure to run on various screen sizes and use Media Query to adapt Flex choices. One key troubleshooting tip: when encountering render Flex overflow, try flexible or reduce fixed size children before changing Expanded.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.